I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable stock cubes. First, gather your fresh vegetables and favorite herbs. Next, chop all your ingredients into small, manageable pieces. You'll then cook these vegetables until they are very soft and tender. Finally, blend the cooked mixture into a smooth paste, which will form the base of your flavorful stock cubes. It's a simple process for delicious results. For a robust flavor, start with a classic mirepoix of carrots, celery, and onions. Enhance the taste with fresh herbs like parsley and thyme. Don't forget to season generously with salt and pepper to bring out the best in your vegetables. It's best to avoid starchy vegetables, such as potatoes, as they can alter the texture and consistency of your stock cubes. Focus on aromatic, non-starchy options. Begin by sautéing your finely chopped vegetables in a large pot with a little olive oil until they soften. Then, add a small amount of water or vegetable broth, just enough to help them simmer. Cover and cook until the vegetables are very tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it forms a thick, smooth paste. This concentrated paste is key. Once your vegetable paste is ready, pour it into ice cube trays. These trays are perfect for creating convenient, single-serving portions. Place them in the freezer until completely solid, which usually takes about 3 to 4 hours. After they are frozen, pop the cubes out and transfer them to a freezer-safe bag or airtight container. You can store these homemade stock cubes for up to 6 months, ready for any recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.